Okay, so welcome to all of you. Now today we'll see how to find curvature and normal vector for the curve in a plane or curve in a space. Okay, so if they want the curve this in the plane, just say the r bar be the smooth curve in the plane. Okay, so if they want in the space, okay, so just say r bar be the smooth curve in the space. Okay, it is enough now. Okay, so just we have defined both the things in the plane and in the space also. All formulas are same here. Okay, so let r bar be a smooth curve. Okay, let t bar be the unit tangent vector of a smooth curve. Then the curvature of the curve is defined as this is the curvature. This is denoted by k. So you may denote this by k. So what this is what? This is k. Okay, k. Okay. So this is what mod of dt by ds. This is the formula. Okay, but dt by ds is nothing but what? Dt bar by dt into dt by ds. By chain rule this is. Okay. So I can write this is what dt bar by dt upon ds by dt. So ds by dt is the velocity. Okay. So this is what 1 upon. Okay. So here what? It should be the mod of. It should be the mod of. Okay. So this should be the mod. 1 upon mod of v bar, mod of dt bar by dt. So you have to find a tangent. Yesterday we have seen how to find a tangent vector. So we will use as usual. We will find first tangent vector. Okay, then we differentiate like this. So if you take a for a tangent vector is nothing but what v bar upon mod of v bar. So you get mod of v bar, no problem for this one. Okay, so this is what where t bar is equal to d bar. You have to differentiate this. You have to differentiate this. So you cannot write this is what mod of v bar square, because what you have to take the derivative of this one with respect to t. Okay, so therefore you if you put here mod of v bar upon v bar, so so you have to take a derivative of that one. Okay, so the curvature, this is no mod of v bar will not be the constant because it is a function of t. This is what function of t. Okay, so the curvature is the constant. So note this point, the curvature is constant for straight line and the circles. Okay, okay, so for objective problem, so you should remember this, the curvature is constant for the straight line and the circles. Remember this, the unit tangent vector t bar has constant length. So this is also important, that the tangent vector has a constant length. So therefore dt bar by ds is orthogonal to this. Okay, so this is the orthogonal dt bar by dts. So that means that orthogonal means they are perpendicular. Perpendicular means what? Their dot product is 0. Okay, so you know that two vectors are perpendicular if and only if their dot product is 0. So you are familiar with that one. Okay, now we will define this normal vector. This is called a principal unit normal vector. Okay, let r bar be a smooth curve. The principal unit normal vector for smooth curve in the plane or in the space, whatever this. Okay, if they want in the space, just write in the space. Okay, if they want in the plane, just write in the plane. Okay, so same thing here for the curvature also, in the plane, in the space. Okay, so we will not write a separate definition for the space. Okay, so this is same definition here. So n bar is dt bar by ds. So this is the formula. Okay, so this formula is simplified. So what you have you got here the curvature. Okay, just you have to multiply by dt bar by ds. So you have to find dt bar, you have to differentiate dt by. Okay, so for dt by ds, so your t bar is a function of t. So we'll convert the formula in terms of only t now. So use this formula while calculating this. What n cap is nothing but so dt bar by dt upon norm of dt bar by dt. Norm is magnitude of this. Okay, so this is a very simple formula. So apply this formula. So don't use this formula for this one. So use this formula. N bar is same as this now. Okay, for solving the problem. So use this formula. Okay, because here what just you got here dt bar by dt. Okay, so if you are calculating curvature, okay, so you have to find first tangent vector. After that you have to find the curvature and the principal unit normal vector. So that you have to find. So what you already got, this is dt bar by dt. You have already got this. Okay, so just you have to take the just you have to what? To take the magnitude also. You are taking magnitude of also here. Okay. Okay, so you got a magnitude also. So just you have to what only? Just you have to divide by this only. Okay. So divide by this one, you have to multiply the reciprocal of this only. Okay. So very simple problems here. So remember this is a formula. So for tangent vector T bar, this is curvature, and this N bar. Okay, they will ask find T bar, K, T bar, N bar, and K now. Okay, so K means the curvature. This is the standard notation actually. Okay, so we'll take a problem on it now. Okay, so find T bar, N bar, and K. So it is a scalar quantity for the plane curve, R bar of T is equal to T I bar plus log of cos of T J bar minus pi by 2 less than T less than pi by 2. Okay, so actually this pi by 2 they are useless now here. They are useless. Okay, solution. Given that this. Okay, so V bar is equal to dr bar by dt. Yes, so this is what I bar plus 1 upon cos of T into minus sin of T J bar. Okay, so that is what I bar minus tan of T J bar. Okay, so mod of V bar now, so this is root of 1 square plus minus tan T square. Okay, so this is 1 plus tan square, and 1 plus tan square is nothing but the root sec square T. That is what? Sec T. This is sec T. So what is your T bar? T bar is nothing but V bar upon norm of V bar. Okay, so this is 1 upon sec T into what is your V bar? I bar minus, I will write this sin T upon cos T J bar. Okay, sec T means what? Cos T. 1 upon sec T means cos T. So I will write this as cos T I bar minus sin T J bar. Okay, this is your T bar. Just I will write dt bar by dt now. dt bar by dt. So this is what? Minus sin T I bar minus cos T J bar. This is your dt bar by dt. Okay, we'll find mod of this. This one dt bar by dt. We'll find mod of. You got this T bar now. Okay, you want to find N bar and curvature now. Okay, so this is what? Root of minus sin T bracket square plus minus cos T bracket square. So this is 1. So what is your N? This is your N. N is what? dt bar by dt upon mod of dt bar by dt. Okay, so this is 1. So that means this is what? Just minus sin of T I bar minus cos of T J bar. Okay, so this is your N bar. So what is your curvature then? So K is equal to 1 upon mod of V bar. Okay, into mod of dt bar by dt. Okay, so 1 upon mod of V is what? Sec T. Okay, into dt mod of dt bar by dt is 1. Okay, so this is 1 upon sec T. Okay, so this is 1 upon sec T. I can write this is what? Okay, so K is equal to cos T. 1 upon sec T. This is T. Okay, so your T is what? 0 less than pi by 2. Okay, so minus pi by 2. Okay, minus pi by 2 less than T less than pi by 2. This is the interval is given to you. Okay, so this is very simple. Just you should know the formulas only. Okay, next find T bar, N bar and K for the plane curve, r bar of t is equal to a cos t I bar plus a sin t j bar of a circle of radius a of radius a of radius a. Okay, radius a is given, that means a is positive. Okay, so solution given that. Okay, so we'll erase this. This is given that. Okay, so v bar is equal to dr bar by dt. So this one minus a sin t I bar plus a cos t j bar. Okay, so this is mod of v bar now. Mod of v bar root of minus a sin t square a cos t square. So this is a. Okay, actually this is mod a, but this is what a. A is positive because a is the radius of the circle. Okay, since a is greater than 0, because a is the radius of the circle is provided to you, so you can write a, otherwise you have to write mod a. Okay, so now t bar is v bar upon mod of v bar. So this what 1 by a minus a sin t I bar plus a cos t j bar. So a get cancelled, so this is minus sin t I bar plus cos t j bar. Okay, this is your t. Okay, so now we'll find dt bar by dt now. So this is what minus cos t I bar minus sin t j bar. Okay, we'll find mod of this dt bar by dt. We'll find mod of this. So this is what minus cos t square plus minus sin t square. So this is 1. So n bar is same as dt bar by dt upon mod of dt bar by dt. Okay, so dt is 1, so this is 1. Okay, so this is what then minus cos of t I bar minus sin of t j bar. Now your curvature is what 1 upon mod of v bar into mod of dt bar by dt. Okay, so your mod of v bar is what a, so this is 1 upon a into, so dt bar by dt magnitude is what 1, so this is 1 upon a, so this is 1 upon a. Your curvature is 1 upon a. Find t bar, n bar and k for the plane curve. R bar of t is equal to cos 2t I bar plus sin 2t j bar of a circle of radius a. Your radius is a now. Okay, so where is provided a now? Okay, no problem. Radius a is okay. So solution given that r bar of t is equal to this. Okay, only I given this. Okay, we'll erase that. Okay, so v bar is equal to what? dr bar by dt. So derivative of cos 2t, derivative of cos something, this is what minus 2 sin of 2t plus 2 cos of 2t j bar, this is I bar. Okay, so mod of v bar is what root of minus 2 sin 2t square plus 2 cos 2t square. Okay, so 4 will be the common and sin square 2t plus cos square, angle is same, so sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so this is 2 now. This is 2. Okay, so now your t bar is what? V bar upon norm of v bar. So this is 1/2. This is 1 upon v. Okay, so minus 2 sin 2t I bar plus 2 cos 2t j bar. So 2 get cancelled. This is minus sin 2t I bar plus cos 2t j bar. Okay, so dt bar by dt bar by dt is what? Minus 2 cos of 2t I bar minus 2 sin of 2t j bar. Okay, now you have to find a magnitude also. We'll find magnitude. Okay, dt bar by dt. Okay, so this is root of so minus 2 cos of 2t square plus minus 2 sin of 2t square is equal to 2. This is 2. Okay, so your n bar is dt bar by dt upon mod of dt bar by dt. So this is working rule for n bar. Okay, so that it is very easy. So 1 upon mod is what? 1/2. So this is 1/2. I will write. So why I write 1/2. Okay, then this is what? Minus 2 cos 2t minus 2 sin 2t j bar. This is I bar j bar. So this is same as minus 2, not minus 2 now. Minus 2 get cancelled now. Cos 2t I bar minus sin 2t j bar. Okay, so this is your n kya? N bar. N bar means n cap also you can say. This is a unit vector. This is unit vector. That means magnitude of this vector is 1. Magnitude of this vector is 1. This is unit tangent vector. If you find the magnitude of this, it should be the 1. So if you don't get the magnitude is 1, that means you are making mistake somewhere. Okay, you have made mistake somewhere. So you have to check that. Okay, see here, this is what? Magnitude is 1 now here. This is also magnitude is 1. If you find the magnitude of this one. Okay, so now your curvature is what? 1 upon mod of v bar into mod of dt bar by dt. Okay, mod of dt bar. What is modulus of v is 1/2. So this is 1/2 into mod of dt bar. So mod also you have found. So this is what? 2. So curvature is 1 now. Curvature is 1. Okay. So now this is very simple. Find p bar, n bar, n cap, and k for the plane curve. For the plane curve. Okay. Now the curve is complicated now here. Curve is complicated now. Minus. Okay. So this is what? Cos of t plus t sin of t I bar plus sin t minus t cos t j bar. T greater than 0 is provided to you. Okay. Okay. Solution. Given that. This is r bar of t. Okay. Now we'll find v bar now. V bar is equal to dr bar by dt. Dr bar by dt. Just we'll write the derivative. Minus sin t plus t cos t plus sin t. Sin t I bar. Just we apply the product rule here. Okay. So plus cos t minus t minus 1 become plus. Okay. Plus sin t minus cos t. Okay. So this is minus, you have to take the care. Minus t, or you may write minus t. Minus to minus t, this is what? Plus sin t. This minus is as it is. Cos t, derivative of t is 1. Okay. Take the care of this. So this is j bar. Okay. Now we have to simplify this your v bar. We'll simplify this v bar. Is what? T get cancelled. So this is what? T cos t I bar plus t sin t j bar. Okay. Now we'll find mod of v bar now here. So root of t cos t square plus t sin t square. So t square gets common. Cos square t plus sin square t. So t square means this is t. This is t. So your mod of v bar is t now here. We'll find a tangent vector. Is what? V bar upon mod of v. So this is what? 1 upon t. 1 upon mod of v bar is 1 upon t. And then you have to write a v bar now. T cos t plus t sin t j bar. This is I bar. Don't forget to write I bar and j bar now. So t get cancelled. So this is what? Cos of t I bar plus sin of t j bar. Okay. Now the problem becomes simple now here. Okay. So now dt bar by this is t bar. Okay. Don't forget to write dt bar also, because this is a vector. So this is what then? Minus sin t I bar plus cos t j bar. Okay. Now we'll find mod of dt bar by dt. So this is what root of minus sin t square plus cos t square. So this is 1. Okay. Now we are ready to find all the things, curvature and n bar, that is normal vector. So n bar is what? So they will ask like this, what? T a cap n cap. Okay. So t cap n cap means the tangent vector. This is normal vector. Okay. Unit normal vector, unit tangent vector. So if you are not taking this, see, if you are not taking mod of v bar, then this is what a tangent vector. This just v bar is the tangent vector tool. And this is what you are writing, this is v bar upon mod of v bar. That means it is unit tangent vector. If you want simply the tangent vector, just you have to differentiate that. So that will be the tangent vector. So if you want the normal vector, so what? Differentiate the tangent vector only. Differentiate the tangent vector, you will get the normal vector. If you want a unit normal vector, you have to divide by its conjugate. You have to divide by its norm. Okay. So that means you have to divide by its length. That means this magnitude. You will get a unit normal vector. Okay. So just for normal vector, this is what? Dt bar by dt upon mod of dt bar by dt. If you are not dividing by this, then dt bar by dt is what? Just a normal vector, not a unique normal vector. It is just a normal vector. Note that. So this is what? Okay. So 1 upon dt bar by, this is 1. No problem. Just this is what? Minus sin t plus cos t j bar. Okay. So this is the unit vector actually. Okay. So that means what? This is what? Normal vector is same as the unit normal vector. Okay. Okay. Now your k, curvature, is 1 upon v bar mod of dt bar by dt. So mod of v just we have calculated, that is 1 upon t into what is the modulus? This is 1. Okay. So this is 1 upon t. This is 1 upon t. Okay. Next problem will take. So very simple now this thing. So only you have to remember the formula only. Okay. So formula is the crucial part. Other thing is what? Easily you can take the derivative. You have to take the magnitude of that one. Okay. So it is not difficult for you. For now, we have the problems on the plane now. So we will do in the space now. Space means what? There are 3 components. Okay. So formulas are same for the 3 components. So for the plane curve, so for the space curve, for the space curve, r bar of t, this curve is in the space, sin of t I bar plus 3 cos t j bar plus 4t k bar. Okay. So all of the formulas are same. Okay. Solution given that. Okay. Given that this. Okay. Now we write v bar now. V bar is what? So d r bar by dt. All formulas are same. All the procedures are same. Only one component is added here. Okay. So this is what? 3 cos t I bar minus 3 sin t j bar plus 4. Okay. So mod of v bar now. Mod of v bar is root of 3 cos t square plus minus 3 sin t square. Okay. Plus 4 square. So this is what? You can take 3 means to 9. Okay. 9 common. So sin square t plus cos square t is 1. Okay. So 9 plus 16 is root 25. This is root 25. So this is 5. So this is 5. So okay. So t bar is equal to v bar upon mod of v bar. Okay. So mod of v bar is what? 1 by 5. So this is 1 by 5. 3 cos t I bar minus 3 sin t j bar plus 4. Oh, this is 4 k bar. Okay. So 4 k bar. Okay. So I will write dt bar by dt now. So this 1 by 5 will be as it is. This 1 by 5 will be as it is. Okay. So this is what minus 3 cos sine of t, sine of t I bar minus 3 cos of t j bar plus 0 k bar. No problem for 0 k bar. Okay. So mod of this. So mod of dt bar by dt is this is what, if this is minus 1 by 5, just you have to make this as positive now, and root of no need to take the 1 by 5 like 25 and something like this. So you can take the magnitude of this one, you can take the magnitude of this one, you have to take the magnitude of this one. So this is what we are not taking minus common, so therefore 1 by 5 will be, it is positive. So for magnitude it is common and positive, just keep as it is now, and take the magnitude of the next of the vector is what minus sin t bracket square minus 3 cos t bracket square plus 0 square. Okay. So this is what, then 1 by 5 into 3. So this is what 3 by 5. So this is 3 by 5. Because you get this, you get here 9. This is root 9 and root 9 is nothing but the 3. So this is 3 by 5. Okay. So now your n bar is dt bar by dt upon mod of dt bar by dt. So your mod 1 upon dt is what 5 by 3. You have to take the reciprocal of that into. So dt bar by dt is what 1 by 5. So we'll write in bracket minus 3 sin t I bar minus 3 cos t j bar only. Okay. So now you have to simplify it. 5 get cancel, this 3 also get cancel. So this is what minus sin t I bar minus cos t j bar. This is your unit normal vector. Okay. So now your curvature is what 1 upon mod of v bar mod of dt bar by dt. So what is the magnitude of v bar is 5. Okay. So this is 1 by 5. And what is the magnitude of dt bar is, this is 3 by 5. This is 3 by 5. So this is what 3 by 25. So your answer is what 3 by 25. Okay. Okay, so I will give the problem for exercise now here. So find in for the space curve, r bar of t is equal to a cos t I bar plus a sin t j bar plus b t k bar a b greater than 0, a square plus b square is also not equal to 0, because they occur somewhere upon. So if the denominator is there, if it is denominator is what a square plus b square, so then it is what, so then problem is that so it is not defined there. Okay. So your a square plus b square is also not equal to 0 is provided to you. Just do the problem as usual now. Okay. Take the care of a and b only. Okay. So I hope that you can do this. Okay. So this is very easy. Just you have to remember the working rule to find a t bar, n bar and the curvature. Okay. So that is the key. Okay. So I hope that you understand this. You can solve any problems on it. Okay. So now we'll stop here. Thank you.